So you want to make impressive name tags or desk tags or whatever tags? No problem. With the cost-effective TruCUT Lite CO2 laser cutter from AM.CO.za, you can make your very own personalized name tags in minutes. Let's take a look at how it's done. Rowmark is a popular material which comes in a variety of colors and textures. Select and secure your choice onto the TruCUT laser machine. The software comes free with the purchase of the machine and you can download it at cncu.co.za. Now, create your design and start the cutting process. And there you have it. It's that fast. Now start the contour cutting from the software to cut the shape of the name tag. And it's done. Deep, long-lasting, personalized engraving on any color or texture of your choice. For more information on this versatile TruCUT Lite CO2 laser machine, please call am.co.za sales on 060 600 6000. Thank you for watching.